Bitcoin is once again breaking towards the downside after getting rejected by this resistance. Now this could get very bad for Bitcoin very quickly, so we need to be talking about that exactly. What is right now exactly happening and what is going on? We need to be talking about my next Bitcoin trade if we are going to be seeing this breakdown over here. So guys, can we once again push up the likes? Back above the 150 likes, that will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into it short term. And yes, Bitcoin is getting a breakdown over here, down below this important level of support. Now we do have an official price target all the way back down towards the 52.2k level. But in my opinion, we should really not have a look into these low price targets just at the moment, because this could just be a very big trap for Bitcoin. We still have a very important level of support we are currently still holding. So as long as Bitcoin is going to be holding above this level of support over here, I do not think we are going to be seeing this massive breakdown. And as long as Bitcoin is still going to be holding this level of support, well, I just think that this is going to be a massive trap. So yes, do keep that in mind. Do not panic too much. Do not be feared too much in the short term. Now, if we are going to be losing this level of support, well then definitely we are going to be headed even lower. But right now, that is definitely not happening. We can easily be seeing this bounce back from this support and create a further consolidation over here. So yeah, do keep that in mind. I actually do think that this bounce is going to be the more likely scenario, but if we are going to be seeing this rejection and a break towards the downside over here, well then definitely it is going to be getting very dangerous for Bitcoin, because at that moment we are going to be seeing this perfect rejection from this level of resistance. And I think if we are going to be seeing this double top breakdown, well, we are going to be headed even lower to be filling up this massive wick over here. But like I have already been saying many times, well, if that were to be happening, well, that is exactly going to be the moment where I'm going to be opening up my next Bitcoin trade. If Bitcoin is going to be seeing this break towards the downside to be filling up this huge wick over here, well, I am willing to be opening up a new leverage trade over on Bybit. So stay tuned for that. Exactly. Personally, honestly, I just hope that we are going to be seeing this break towards the downside, because in that case, I am going to be opening up my next Bitcoin trade. But honestly, if I'm just going to be having a look into the market, well, the funding rates are extremely low, even negative on most of the exchanges. Yesterday, they were even more in the negative. So in my opinion, it is just going to be very likely that we are going to be seeing this bounce and not really a further correction. But honestly, I'm just going to be fine with both scenarios. If we are going to be seeing this further correction, I'm going to be opening up my Bitcoin trade. But if we are already going to be seeing a bounce back up and a push back towards the upside, well, I've bought a lot of Bitcoin and altcoins during this dip over here. So yeah, with all of my spot allocations, well, they are going to be doing very well as well. Now, I do think that the reason behind this Bitcoin dump over here has to do with this news over here. Now, in my opinion, it is going to be very interesting to see how this is going to be developing. Now, right now, we are just in the very early stages, so it is hard to really give an opinion on this, but it could just be the case that this is going to be another excuse for more lockdowns and once again, the interest rates finally getting cut. So yeah, if that were to be happening, we could be seeing another very big capitulation, just like we have seen during the COVID crash. Now, I do want to be saying that right now, that is not the case at all, but there is just going to be that small, slight little probability and possibility that we are indeed going to be seeing this big crash and a big capitulation. But yeah, do know if this is gonna happen, well, it is going to be just the perfect time to re-enter Bitcoin and to enter the Bitcoin and crypto markets before a huge recovery and once again a huge push towards the upside. So let's see how this is going to be developing. Now, anyways, one thing is for sure, I am getting ready right now with my Bitcoin trade over on Bybit. So guys, if you also are going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well and getting yourself ready right now, well, make sure to check out that link down below, because with that link down below, you can right now claim a $30,000 deposit bonus, and on top of that bonus, you can right now also claim a $500 trade on top of that 30,000 US dollar bonus. All you need to do is sign up a new account with that link down below, deposit at least $100, and you can right now be claiming a 500 US dollar free trade. So make sure to get yourself ready for that next Bitcoin move. If we are going to be seeing this dump towards the downside, I'm going to be opening up my Bitcoin trade. Now, anyways, if we are going to be zooming out for Bitcoin, we can just be seeing that Bitcoin is seeing this perfect consolidation, just like it is doing all of the time, and also just like it has been doing during the last summer. But for the majority of the time, Bitcoin just moves inside of a consolidation, but after each and every single consolidation, a big move is going to be next. We can be seeing it time and time over again. A huge consolidation, after that a huge breakout. A huge consolidation over here, after that a huge breakout. Right here once again, a huge consolidation, after that a huge breakout. Right now, once again, we are seeing a huge consolidation, and the longer this consolidation is going to be lasting for, well, the more explosive the breakout will eventually be. So yeah, do keep that in mind. Very boring times right now for Bitcoin, but eventually we are going to be breaking that boring time with a big and explosive breakout. Now do keep in mind that, of course, Bitcoin is still creating this bull flag pattern over here, so this could be that final breakout we want to be seeing for this consolidation over here. Now also do keep in mind that yesterday we got some reports from Q2, and actually we can be seeing that major banks are right now buying Bitcoin ETFs. So yeah, this is going to be massive in my opinion for the Bitcoin price. Now it is actually surprising that Bitcoin did not see this huge pump on this news we got yesterday. Instead, Bitcoin actually got a little bit of a dump right here because of this news over here. But of course, do still keep in mind that Bitcoin is trading inside of this downtrend over here on that daily time frame. So we still need to be breaking above this daily downtrend over here in order to really break bullish. Anyways guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.